The current Toyota Venza debuted in 2020 and is the American version of the Toyota Harrier crossover. And at the Guangzhou Auto Show, a slightly different 2022 Toyota Venza debuted. This option is intended for the PRC market and has its own interesting features. First of all, a different facial expression. The front fairing, with a depth insert between the headlights and the forward nose, made the SUV look like a Toyota GR Supra sports car. The redesign is needed so that buyers can differentiate between the Harrier and Venza crossovers, as both cars will be on sale in China. And if the 2022 Toyota Harrier, produced by the FAW Toyota joint venture, outwardly hardly differs from its global counterparts, then the Venza model, produced by the competing GAC Toyota plant, has acquired a more sporty image here. In the side of the body and the rear part of the car, there will not be too obvious differences between the two cars. After all, it is quite difficult for Toyota to make such a big change in the front face of the GAC version. On the whole, it still maintains the coupe-style dynamic lines of the large inclined C-pillar and the through-type taillights, the exquisite rear bumper chrome decoration, and the two-sided, dual exhaust elements. The overall appearance is quite handsome. However, the interior of the two cars is exactly the same. But the Chinese couple acquired virtual instruments with a 12.3-inch screen, which are offered for the richest configuration, while in Japan and America, the Harrier and Venza has only analog scales with a central screen. Plus, another climate control panel is installed, into which a small screen is embedded to display the operating mode. The set of power units is like in Japan. The base Harrier and Venza in the PRC are equipped with an aspirated 2.0 with 171 horsepower and a direct shift CVT variator, which has a mechanical first gear for starting off. Such cars are exclusively front-wheel drive. An alternative is a hybrid system consisting of a 2.5 engine with 178 horsepower, an electric motor with 120 horsepower, and an electromechanical variator, and for a surcharge, there will also be an E4 all-wheel drive with an additional electric motor on the rear axle with 54 horsepower. Peak output is traditionally much lower than the sum of the power of all motors and is limited by electronics. If the Toyota Harrier in China costs from $33,100 to $46,600 and has already appeared on sale, then the Toyota Venza will arrive in time by the very end of the year and will be slightly more expensive, from $34,400 to $48,500. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.